Everyone, today we are going to see about the Bureau blood glucose monitoring system. This is used to check the blood sugar level in our body before fasting and after fasting. Also we can check it at home itself. It is easy to check and they have so many. Let's see how to take the blood sugar level before fasting and after fasting. Also same procedure we are going to see. Before fasting means night you have to have the dinner, means at least 8 hours you have the gap before fasting. After food means 2 hours is enough to take the blood sugar level. Let's see, come on. They have given the manuals here. One is Arabic, one is English, and they have some small booklet. It is to cover our everyday data in it before fasting and after fasting, and dinner time meals also they have given, but most of them usually take before fasting and after fasting at breakfast only. And this is the injector insulator. We can inject the needle. They have given needles with this. We need to, I will show you the needle. I already inserted in it. This is the lancet. So this lancet, the cap we need to remove it. The cap we need to twist and remove it, and then we need to insert in this lancet, and then we need to fix it. See, this one we need to press and open, and then we need to insert it. This is the lancet to take the blood, and then this is the monitor to see our blood sugar level, and here is the strips are there. This is 50 number strips, 2 boxes are there. With this itself it is coming. The machine is the machine cost is very low, but the strips cost is very high. So this is the strip, and this strip only we are going to use, and they have given one cable also to transfer our data to our system. So this is used to transfer our system, and we are going to see the machine. On the back side they gave 2 cells. This is the cell to properly work the system, and then here the reset button. We need to reset the machine, means you can reset it. The data will be removed. See, here it's showing the power, and then if we are inserting this, means they gave the arrow mark here. This side we need to insert it, and we need to pour our blood here properly in this corner. So we will insert it here, and you can see the mark here. The blood from hand, the blood is dropping down, so it's indicating you need to drop your blood here. So let's see how to take this. This is the lancet I said, isn't it? So first you need to pull and do like this, and then keep your hand here, and then press this button. The needle will be caught here. See, that's it. And then you need to take the blood and then drop it like it here properly. It will absorb. Now the countdown will start, and then you can see the blood sugar level here, 89. It is normal blood sugar. Then we can remove the strip, and then we can throw it. The the lancet needle can be used for a person. The lancet needle for, used for a person, at least 3 times we can use one needle for 3 times, and they gave 5 needles only, so you can use one lancet for 3 times. This is how to take the blood sugar level. If you have any doubts, you can put it in the comment box and I can explain it later. Thank you.
नहीं आएगा, आए ना, इसके पहले ऊपर डाल दिए। 1 ज़्यादा हो गया। खाया कुछ नहीं है, मैं कुछ नहीं खाया, नहीं ज़्यादा है, नहीं खाया कुछ।
कितना है इसका नमक? 90 ना, 90
100 होना चाहिए, नीचे आना चाहिए था।
सुबह में कुछ चाय पिया होगा?
चाय पी गया।
हाँ, इसलिए था ना, इसलिए चाय पिया था इसलिए, क्योंकि सुबह में लाइक दिस